pods are cold. I'll need to rekey the system.
Do it and find out where we are.
Sorry for the quick jump, Sergeant. You in one piece?
I'm good.
Oh my god.
Chief?
We're fine.
Ma'am.
What? Really?
there's an
Oh my god.
object Coming into view now.
Cortana, what exactly am I looking at?
That is another Halo.
Say what?
So this is what my father found. I thought Halo was
Okay,
some sort
I'm
of
back.
super weapon.
Hello back.
It is. If activated,
Coolo.
this ring will cause destruction on a galactic scale.
I wonder how busted your Elden Ring character would be if you were able to wear every talisman in the game.
If I have the clearance or not.
I wonder how strong you
Where's
can
our
get.
target?
It'd probably equal out because you gotta remember the negative talismans.
Perfect. Given what
Oh,
we know about
yeah.
this ring, it's even more
You know,
important
like
to
scorpion
capture
charms and all that.
Find out
Mhm.
why he came to Earth, why he came here.
Radagon Source Seal.
Hard drop. Secure landing zone. Sergeant, load up 2 flights of Pelicans and follow them in.
Aye, aye, man.
But I think you would go
Until I can move
slightly
inside, I'm going to
positive.
low profile. Once you leave the ship,
Yeah, there's some talismans that are just broken. I mean, you do a lot of
Over the
damage.
target in 5.
you go positive in all of them, but you would be probably you'd be taking more damage because you gotta remember you have every single dragon crest, every single pearl shield.
Oh yeah. And okay, you know how if you equip the +1 talisman, you can't equip the +2. Like you can't like stack the same. What if you could?
Find the bump.
Let's say you
Yeah.
can wear every talisman in the
if you
game
could,
and you can
including
stack.
yeah, then you would go positive.
Yeah, I think so. That's why they don't let you. Pick wisely, sir. You only get 4 options.
Could we possibly make any more noise? I guess so.
Gus?
Hey, mate, we got company.
I could be wrong,
Leave the cursing to the
but I may not be hearing him.
Can Gus be muted?
Spotted another one.
Yeah.
Um,
Oh, you mother.
I was like, why is life so calm and quiet all of a sudden?
I no longer have invisibility. Kurwa jeba, sosina, sketchina.
The
Table, I found the way.
oh my god.
One fuck you, one fuck you. I'm dead.
One small step for man.
I forgot how to do this quest though.
Worry not, rocket.
Jesus. What 90 strength does.
I fucking hate this game. I hate that skull so fucking much.
Iron or
No! Grunt plasma skull. Where when you kill a grunt, they explode into plasma. Please!
I think bro is cooked. I think it's cooked for bro.
Something.
Danke.
are you gonna be like Dijon?
Where they at?
Пошел, задница, пошел! How long did that take us?
No clue. Put timer on top right screen.
Another phantom.
Rage.
Oh. Oh, this is evil area. Oh. Oh. Oh dear. No, I'm fine.
Alright. Is that friendly or enemy? It's friendly. Help! Help!
I am. Oh dears. I think it's time I board.
Oh my fucking. Fuck you!
I cannot even stop it. That's amazing. Oh, I kind of see the Helldivers arriving.
What? Oh.
ODST. Motherfucker! Oh my gonna snip rifle snip.
What? Snoo 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 snoo.
Oh my god. Oh my god, final destination.
You always bring me to such nice places.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh, I got absolutely.
Oh, fuck off! Wait for the drones to come over here. Damn, damn!
Oh dear, I cannot move.
It never fucking hits his hand because Halo 2, like, don't shoot in the center of the fucking crosshair. Thank you. Oh, I genuinely saw my life flash before.
Oh my god, they can enter the caves. No.
Yeah.
Man, I'm nothing like y'all.
Literally
gosh.
there's nothing like us.
Oh, I see. Fable? Snipers. I do not have the range for that.
The Covenant know we made landfall, but boy, are they in for a big surprise.
One small step for man.
Fable? Oh.
Oh dear. Water time. That is wrong calculation.
Pondering?